excited for you? So we're here, having a great bit of fun, aren't we, Freya? You enjoying it? Hi! Forward done. Ash Thomas Films. Yeah. Ash's link will be in the description, so go on there and subscribe to Ash as well. You're going to have some fun, Freya? Down the plug. Go down the plug. No, not yet. Now we're going to go down the plug. Oh no. Oh no. Go backwards. It's incredibly loud. So we have to speak up. But we've done some rides and Freya now just wants to have a bit of a swim. Fantastic swimming, Freya. Absolutely fantastic. the UK's tallest and fastest water slide. It's a trapdoor one. I'm pretty scared, if I'm honest. Quite nervous about this, but let's give it a go. Okay.
Five, four, three, two, one.
That was good, that was scary, that was fast. Yeah, it did hit me back. That first bit, when it dropped, I didn't know what was going to happen, to be fair. It's funny how times change. I remember coming through this exact bit with my dad when I was a kid. Yes, we can. And I remember being on my dad's back coming through that very tunnel. Okay, Freya, so what's been your favourite bit?
My favourite bit was the pool.
So just the pool? What about the rides?
My favourite ride was that one where there's a huge hole and then you go under, then you spin round and round.
Oh, the colourful one?
Yeah.
I think that's probably my favourite ride too. It was good because we got to ride that one together, didn't we, Freya?
Yeah.
So that's really good. But the fast one, I think Thunderbolt is called. There we go. Ash Thomas again. Ash, what was your favourite ride?
I've just been saying, I was going to ask what your favourite ride was. My favourite ride is the one that was the drop one last year, but I've changed it now. I'm going for the one where you go in the thing like that and then you go in the circle. The
Cyclone, yeah. I would say my favourite is also Cyclone as well. It's a warm tub. That's what I would say.
Subscribe to the channel.
That's it. Listen to Jack.
Yeah, listen to me.
Trying to film the end of the vlog and Freya keeps floating away. But that's it now. I think we're going to finish off in a minute. Try and get dried up, get changed. Freya doesn't want to go, but you can see it's getting quite late now. We've been a really good event. If you like this and you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. What do you say, Freya?
Okay, you've already said that. Thanks, you guys.
Freya's a bit sad because
We have to go,
we have to go.
but I'm still going to swim.
Go for a swim and bye.
Bye.